would you look at what came in the mail today? These are fully aluminum Steiger panels for the Panther 1000. These were sent to us by our friends Big Tractor Parts up there in Minnesota. These are super nice Steiger panels. They're full aluminum and they should fit every single Panther 1000 out there. And these are really good replacements for those old plastic ones that came with the tractors. These are really durable. They're gonna stand up to a lot more than those plastic ones, and our old ones were cracked, so we're really happy that we could get these from Big Tractor Parts. And basically how you see it is how you get it. It comes in a full set, which is a left and a right, and then it comes with all the hardware and is actually ready to go right then and there. So when you open your package, these panels are ready to go on your tractor. So let's turn this panel around and we'll show you all the hardware and the adjustments. So here we are at the back of the panel. We've got your straps here, which are exactly the same as your old ones. You'll just plug and play. Then you got your adjustments up here. These are ready to fit your Panther 1000. There's really no need to adjust them, but in case yours is a little bit different and it doesn't quite fit, then you can adjust these left to right. But these are made to fit every single Steiger and they're just plug and play. So that's all great. Let's go up to the top there and put it on.
So we're going to install these and show you how they go on there. So just like your old panels, you're going to slide these down first. You have to do one at a time. They go specifically in a specific spot. And then once you get them down in there, there's 3 holes at the top. You're going to stick the screws in and then you're going to push down. And you see how they went on? Just like that. They're 3 screws, they're in. And there's an adjustment here. If this is too high, then you won't have a straight edge down here. So then you want to loosen these up here and push this down and retighten so that this will be level with this if you have that issue. Then you reach down here, you grab the strap and you stick it in the notches where they go. You grab the strap and you stick it in the notch. And just like that, you've installed your Steiger panel. So now we're going to install the right side. And same thing, we bring it up to the tractor. We're going to slide these straps down the sides. And then we're going to bring it up to the holes. Slide it in, push down, and they're in. And as you see, it's level here. And we did adjust these up here to make it level down at the bottom there. These 4 bolts, you loosen them and adjust them.
Yeah, so I mean, when you put the panels on, if this panel, if this side's in an upright position and it's like angled like that and it doesn't look like it's flat and flush like these, then make sure you adjust it. This needs to go down to match the panel to make it look flush. So if your Panther has different adjustments on this piece, then adjust it there.
And then you grab the straps and you slide it on the tabs and you got them installed. You shouldn't have to adjust these if your panel's already flush. It's only if it's out of adjustment. Ours was out of adjustment, so we adjusted it. So we're just letting you know to make the adjustment if needed. Thank you.
Well guys, you saw the panels and you saw us putting it on. If you have a Panther 1000 and you have those worn out panels, don't hesitate. Call Carson at Big Tractor Parts and get yourself a pair of these today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.